we'll be sharing a few tips today. So these 6 or 7 formulas, the tips and formulas will increase the speed immediately. Okay, after that, after sharing the formulas for 10-15 minutes, we'll see the speed is increased already. Okay, so first formula is art of relaxation. If you are relaxed, take then automatically our clarity of the mind is much more, and we read much more speed. Okay, friends. So I just request I just request admin team to just see the spotlight is there, or you want to keep the spotlight is there in anyone. Just wanted to check that. Okay, so first point, what did I say? Relaxation. Now the meditation and the speed reading goes like hand in hand. Whoever is meditating, they'll be gaining more energies, and using those energies, if you focus on your studies or reading, then it will be reading speed is every time it's increasing and increasing and increasing. Okay, friends. So that is first formula. That's called art of relaxation or meditation. If you meditate, that's even better. If you're new to the meditation or anything, that's okay. If you just take 3 to 4 deep and relaxed breaths, that's a good to start. Okay, that's a 1 minute meditation also you can start. Otherwise, if you can little bit more time also, you can meditate also. That's also good. Okay, friends. That is first formula. Second formula is little bit erected spine. So why erected spine is if you are sitting a little bit straight, the energy flow is very good. So in the energy flow is very good, then automatically it will be easy to read fast. Okay. So if you're having, for example, if you're bending, or if you're casually sitting, for example, and also if you're see, we are keeping the book beside, right, in the down. So automatically we are keeping our head also down. So usually our head should be like this, like equal. So my, for example, I'm seeing straight to like that. This much equal should be there, but that's not possible. So because the head and body and everything straight means that's not possible, right? So if see if it is possible, if you can make like this. But for example, earlier we'll keep the book in a certain way, and that's okay. Otherwise, what you can do is every 5 or 10 minutes maximum. Once you keep your spine straight. So every 5 to 10 minutes, you just need to check that my spine is straight for a few seconds, 10 seconds or 20 seconds or 1 minute. Just make sure you're sitting straight. That's all. Then also energy flow is automatically happening properly. Okay. So that is second point, my dear friends. Okay. Everybody got the first and the second point? You can type it also. You can type anybody. First is relaxation. Second point is straight spine. Okay. Third point now. Okay. So third point is positive attitude. Whenever we are reading the book, our negativity is like taking us, dragging us back. Okay. So yes. Okay, one question before that. Everarkayana Telugulo kavala, andariki English tho comfortable ah? Everarkayana Telugulo class kavala? Yeah, cheppandi.
Okay sir, important cheppandi Telugulo, important points Telugulo cheppandi.
Okay. Yeah. Alage. Okay. Yeah. So yes. Okay. Thank you. సో ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ అంటే విశ్రాంతి స్థితి, అంటే దీర్ఘ శ్వాస అనమాట. ఒక 3 శ్వాసలు తీసుకోవాలి. సెకండ్ పాయింట్ అంటే కొంచెం మనం వెన్ను నీటాగా పెట్టుకోవాలన్నమాట. మూడో పాయింట్ పాజిటివ్ థింకింగ్, అంటే ఎప్పుడు పాజిటివ్ గా ఉండాలన్నమాట. సో ఇన్ ద థర్డ్ పాయింట్ ఆల్సో ఐ సే ద స్మైలింగ్. Okay, smiling and positive point. Both points I combine together into third point. Okay. So if you are maintaining a smile in your face while you're reading, you're doing the best thing in the world, one of the best thing. Just feel that and just smile and start reading that book. Okay, that is one thing. And also second thing is once I'll share with one story. Why positive thinking? One time my brother, I asked my brother when I was studying the graduation. Okay, that is C language. BCA I'm studying, Bachelor of Computer Applications. C language, I want my brother to explain me. Okay, I was asking him, brother Pradeep Anna, okay, so explain me the language, C language. I have like I'm comparing to my friends, I'm not having the confidence, and because all of my friends are already they are doing better. Then my brother said that because my brother is an expert already, is working in IT. Then he said that okay, he showed one book. Okay, go there. See in the book, that book in the shelf. Okay, just see that book and read that book and come back after that. I'll explain that one after that. Then I just saw that book there, and there is a C++ book is there. Okay, I'm asking for the C language, but he showed me one book that's called C++ book. And I went and I started reading. I completed the reading in like 2 hours, probably 1 or 2 hours. And after that I went back to him and I said, I read this book. Then I showed him the book I read, completed the book. Now tell me the C language. Explain me. He saw the book, and that's called C++ language book. He thought of mentioning in the same shelf. There is the other side is the letter C. C language book is there. So he thought he meant that I should read that book. But instead of that, the advanced level C++ language book, I already completed the reading. So he was surprised. How did you read it? Then because you asked me to read, I just read that. That's all. There is no other question. You asked me because you are the expert. You asked me to read. I read that. But did you understand anything? I said I understood one thing. That is, C++ language is better than C language. It's advanced language. It built afterwards. It came after the C language. That one I understood better. That's all. Then that means, just see, in our mind, what happens is when we are not understanding one line, we generally, mind habit is, this one I don't understand. I'm feeling lack and weakness, and we do not go to the next line usually. That's the negativity and uneasiness. Oh, I'm not understanding. What is this? This is tough and everything. All the mind is talking negatively about that one, right? So instead of that, what I did is, I completed the book. What I understood, probably 1 or 2 lines of that book. But it helped me increase my consciousness. So even though if we understand or if we do not understand, also we need to read the books. That's how it is initially. The reason is, initially when I started my journey in spirituality, I never understood the Osho books are too much struggle for me. Osho, especially Jiddu Krishnamurti books are, I feel like what is he talking? Like this much, too much complicated terminology. And I'm not able to understand the Ramta books or Seth books. Seth books are very toughest books like that, almost. And or Nakshatra Mithula or any book, if you see, very spiritual, too much technical words or anything, we do not understand initially. But if you stop there only, okay, I'm not understanding the first page. If you stop there only, then how can you go to the next 100th book? Okay, if you start reading the 100th book, you'll understand the first book. If you come back and read the first book once again after reading 100th book, then you'll be understanding very easily, oh, this much easy it is. Initially at the time, a few months back, a few years back, I felt this is the toughest book, but now this is easy. So that's how, my dear friends, we need to keep on going. What we understood that book, if we understand one word, that's we need to appreciate ourselves. Very, very good. This one word I understood in this page. This one line I understood in this page. Very good, very good. You need to keep on going. Okay, that is called positive thinking and smile. Okay, friends, that is about positive thinking. And smile also, you're doing a very great job, and you need to be very happy about reading the books. So just be happy. For example, for this also I have one more story, but I'll just tell in a quick way. In my graduation, one of my classmates is and he was roaming with all, like, one girlfriend and bakeries and everywhere. He's enjoying the chilling, and he said, "See, in our class, who is enjoying the most? I am only enjoying the most," he said. Okay, but at the time of exams, so he was very tensed, and he was coming to the toppers, like some intelligent people, and he's asking that, okay, tell me, explain me this subject, explain me that subject. Just 1 week before the exams. Then I told him, hey, once you told one sentence that in the class nobody is enjoying as much as you're enjoying, right? But see, enjoyment differs from one person to one person. So, for example, you're thinking that going with the girlfriend and enjoying outside, going to movies, skipping the classes, you're thinking that is enjoyment. But there are some people out there who are enjoying that much. When you go to movie, how much you're enjoying that much they are enjoying when they read one page. Yes, I did that. I'm very happy that I completed one page. I'm very happy. Yes, I enjoy. This is real enjoyment. Like that also people are enjoying, my dear friends. So I want you to enjoy every single page. After every single page, appreciate yourself. Positive attitude and smile. Okay. This is about third point, my dear friends. Everybody clear up to the third point? Third point. First point is relax. Now type C. C means clear. Okay. First point is relaxation. Second point is straight spine. Third point is called enjoyment and positive thinking and smile. Okay. These 3 points. Okay. Now fourth point. We'll come to the fourth point. Fourth point is warm up. Okay. Warm up. So when we're reading, anything needs warm up. So for example, there is a running race competition is happening. Okay. In that one, before there'll be pistol will be there, they'll be shooting it. And okay, ready, 1, 2, 3, start means they'll be running running very quickly. Just before running competition, if you observe, just 10 minutes before, what they are doing, they're not relaxed. They're jumping and warming up. Yes, like this. Okay, all movements, jumping and keeping their body warm up so that they can run from the first second, right? So that is warm up is very important. So usually, if you laugh or if you can, even if you can warm up, physical body warm up also, that also helps in mental body warm up. Okay, so physical, what is that formula? Physical body warm up also helps the mental body warm up. Okay, the warm up for the mind to go faster and receive faster, understand faster way. Okay, friends. So that's the reason you can do 1 minute jumping in the physical body and energizing yourself. Okay, then after that you can come and start reading. The physical body 1 minute warm up you do every day. Everyone. First point is relaxation. Take deep breaths and physical body warm up, and little bit you're sitting straight and you're reading. Okay, friends. So this is what is the number of point? This is physical body warm up is called which point it is? Is it third or is fourth or fifth? I want the numbers.
It's a fourth point, sir.
Fourth point. Got it. Okay. Yeah. Very good, friends. So nice. That is warm up. And next point, sir. Keep going forward only. Okay. Only go forward only. Don't look back. This is the formula. This is fifth point. Okay, friends. So the reason why it is there means, yes, when we are reading, we always come back and read. We always come back and read. Oh, I forgot. I didn't catch that. We'll go back and read. Go back and read the above line. Okay, it's like half of the time is wasted here only, my dear friends. Okay, go forward only. Very good. Radhika typed all the points. Very good. Okay, so if we instead of going back, if you keep on going forward only, then we'll say we are saying almost half the time, my dear friends. Okay, so the reason I'll be sharing here. So what happens then if I didn't get that point? I'm thinking somewhere my focus is not there. That's why I'm going back. Never do that one, my dear friends. Okay, don't give your mind that excuse, or don't make your mind. Don't even assume that you have that much power to catch in the first instance only. Okay, just affirm and create that mind power. Develop the mind power by affirmation. I'm catching in the first time only. I'm focused. Okay. You do not underestimate your mind power, my dear friends. Mind has so much unlimited, vast capabilities. Okay, so while the people are reading here, the 80 words, see here, everybody is reading 100 words per minute, or 110, maximum 190 words, right? Or 200, whatever. Okay, but do you see currently in the Guinness Book Records, the 210 words is the maximum I saw here. Okay, in the Guinness Book Records, there is one lady currently living. She recorded 80,000 words per minute. Can you imagine that? For example, 200 is the maximum in our group. Okay, so if you compare how many times it's more faster. It's not double your speed. Okay, today and tomorrow we are talking about doubling the speed. But she was reading that not only 10 times, 20 times, 30 times, not only 100 times. 100 times means 100 into 100 is 10,000 times, 10,000 words. She's going beyond, like she's able to read everything and remember everything and reproduce everything. All the answers, 100% accuracy. Okay, although we are reading, the comprehension will be usually 5% or 7%, or based on like, okay, now how many of you remember how many things you remember from whatever you read? Okay, how many sentences you can remember, type that. Okay, you read 100 words, okay, or 200 words. In that one, how many words you remember now? How many sentences you remember, type now? How many sentences are how many words you're remembering, type now? But that is a comprehension rate also we are checking. 3 to 4 sentences of 10, yeah. After 10 to 11 lines, okay. Very good. You remember all those things, okay? Yeah. So content, you got it. Yes. Very good. Okay. So comprehension is varying from person to person. Some people remember 7%, some people remember 15%, 25%. Okay, some people remember everything. The percentage, 100%, they also, some people remember exactly as it is, they remember. Okay, that one also will, the next second workshop, we'll be focusing on the content, the comprehension. Okay, how to remember everything, whatever we are reading. And that one we can work on the second level workshop. Okay, so now, go forward only, right? So the thing is, we need to utilize our mind power, and you need to tell whenever you feel that you're going back. Oh, I didn't understand, I am going back. That's the point, right? But you just say, I'm understanding everything. I'll go forward only. After I complete this book, I might come back for another review, but now I go forward only. You say that one. Affirm that one. Now I'll be more alert. Okay, I'm more alert and now focused, more focused, and go forward only. Instead of saying, oh, I missed it, I'm not alert, I'm unfocused, I need to go back and read that one. Instead of saying that one, I'm more alert now, I'll be more alert now. From now on, so I'm catching everything. And with the affirmation, you go forward and read that one. Okay. Yeah, that is about going forward. Okay, friends. That's fifth point, or what is the number of point in this one? Okay, you can count. Okay. Yeah, that is fifth point, I think. Thank you. So next point is sixth point. Sixth point is, this is one of the important point of all the points, my dear friends. Okay. This is called go as much speed as possible. Okay. The reason is we have unlimited mind power, the soul power, subconscious mind power. Everything is inside us. So you keep on going as much as possible, as much speed as possible. You need to stress test every time. You need to yourself be one step ahead, one step ahead. This step, if you follow, then only you will be the more than Vivekananda. This is the important most step. Okay, friends, read as much as possible. The reason is read as fast as possible. Okay, so you need to trust yourself, and with this power of reading. And initially for the first few days, it looks like comprehension is reduced, but don't worry about that. We'll work on the second level in the workshop. So keep on reading. We have unlimited mind power. It's like, for example, what is the speed of the mind? Anybody can tell? What is the highest in the whole universe? What travels in the fastest way? Okay, what travels in the fastest way?
Mind.
Mind, huh?
Mind.
Yes. And you got that much mind power, and now you're underutilizing. For example, what is the example I can give? So, yeah. So basically, you have one sports car, which the topmost sports car in the fastest car in the world. You have in your mind, in your home, and you're using it within the compound. Okay, within the home, there is just 100 meters, you're going 100 meters ahead and coming back 100 meters. So only that much only you're using the car, the sports car, the Ferrari car, the best car in the world you got, and you're using only for 100 meters only. You're going this much only, you're going this much only. Now from the gate to the main road to the gate only, 100 meters every day you're using that. How it will be? Okay. Are you getting fun? If we have that much powerful mechanism, the powerful mind we have, and how much speed we are utilizing it. Okay. So mind is called something called, it's not mechanical speed. The hand movements are mechanical. Okay. So electronic speed is, if we switch on the light, switch, immediately light, the fan is coming, the light is coming. Within a fraction of a second, that is the electronic speed. And the next speed is called light speed. From the so many thousands of kilometers from the Earth to Sun, it is covered in few minutes or few seconds. That's called light speed. Light has 3 into 10 to the power of how many? 10 to the power of 11 or 13? That many 3.8 into that much speed it is having, light speed. Okay. So now the mind is having more than the light speed. It can go more than beyond the light speed also. That much speed we have got, and how are we utilizing it? ఇంత వేగవంతమైన మనసుని మనం ఎలా వాడుతున్నాం మనం? So you keep using it. If you start using it, it will improve. Trust it. Okay. Remove the thought that if I go fast, I might not get it. Don't worry about it. Initially go fast. After that, you'll get it automatically. Okay, so I'll share those formulas. So now keep on going faster and faster and faster. I'll tell about the comprehension also. The comprehension also will improve afterwards. We'll work on that one. But for now, okay, keep the comprehension beside. Work on your real mind power, my dear friends. Okay, this is about next point. Okay, so next point is, this is 6th point, right? 7th point I'll be sharing. So 7th point is, if you're having a book, how do you read? With your eyes you're reading, right? You're reading this way and that way, coming back and this way. With your eyes you're reading. Now you can read by keeping your hand, your one finger below the words. Okay. So instead of keeping one finger, I would say keep 2 fingers. Keep 2 fingers. Something the 2 fingers are following a line. Then your eyes are for the eyes to check the words and go to the next word, everything. If you keep the finger between the line, the words, it is helpful. The reason is why it is helpful means, after you read the end of the line, you need to search. Okay, search what is next line. Immediately next line, right? The eyes are coming and the end of the line is happening, and it is coming back, and what is that? It will search from the above line and below line and 3 lines, and it will calculate, and it will take some time. Then if you use this fingers, so 2 fingers. So initially some people say that 1 finger you use it to every line, but I would say 2 fingers you keep it. Just keep the 2 fingers, and just do not move the finger. No need to move also fingers. Just keep on the line. Just once you read the end of the line, you just move your fingers down. After end of the line, you just keep your fingers down. Okay, everybody got this point? నేను తెలుగులో చెప్తాను. మనం ఏంటంటే ఇది అంటారు ఏంటంటే, మనము ఈ వేలు పెట్టుకుని ఇలా వెళ్తూ ఉండడం బెటర్ అంటారు. దానికన్నా బెటర్ ఏంటంటే 2 వేలు పెట్టేసుకోండి. 2 వేలు పెట్టేసుకుని ఆ లైన్ లోపల, లైన్ అయిపోయిన వెంటనే ఆ 2 వేలు కొంచెం కిందికి రాని. దీనివల్ల ఏంటంటే, అది కళ్ళు ఒక లైన్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఇంకో లైన్ వెతకడం, ఇంకో లైన్ ఎక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది రావడానికి కొంచెం టైం పడుతుంది. ఆ సెకండ్స్ కొంచెం సేవ్ చేయొచ్చు. You can save some seconds there. Okay, this point also, 7th point, you can utilize initially. That's only for initially. Afterwards, when the speed is so much speed, then we need not to do this one. Okay, we can glance the page and we can receive the information, absorb that information immediately. Okay, friends. So this is 7th point. Everybody clear? Yeah, clear. Very good. Any
ప్రబోధ్ గారు
questions? Yes, yes.
ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ ఒకసారి రిపీట్ చేయండి సార్. నేను మధ్య నా నెట్ వర్క్ లేదు ఆ టైంలో. అది ఫస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ చెప్పండి సార్.
Okay, I'll just repeat in Telugu language. Okay. So all the points once. I'll review in first point is విశ్రాంతిగా ఉండాలి, గాఢ శ్వాస దీర్ఘ శ్వాస పీల్చుకోవాలి. దట్స్ ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్. సెకండ్ పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే స్పైన్ వెన్ను నిటారుగా ఉంచుకోవాలి. సెకండ్ పాయింట్. థర్డ్ పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే పాజిటివ్ గా ఉండాలి, స్మైల్ ఎప్పుడు చిరునవ్వుతూ ఉండాలి. చాలా చదివిన అంటే చాలా హ్యాపీ ఫీల్ అవ్వాలి. ఒక పేజ్ అయిపోయినా వెరీ గుడ్ అనుకుని మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్కి వెళ్తుంటాం. ఓకే, థర్డ్ పాయింట్ అది. ఇంకా ఫోర్త్ పాయింట్ అంటే ఫోర్త్ పాయింట్ ఏమని చెప్పాను, 1 సెకండ్ ఇక్కడ రాశారు మన వాళ్ళు. ఫోర్త్ పాయింట్ వార్మప్. ఓకే, వార్మప్ ఏంటి, కొంచెం బాడీ ఫస్ట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేసి కొంచెం వార్మప్ చేసినా కానీ అది అనే మైండ్ కూడా వార్మప్ అవుతుంది. అది ఫోర్త్ పాయింట్. ఫిఫ్త్ పాయింట్ ముందుకే వెళ్ళండి, వెనక్కి రాకండి. మళ్ళీ వెనక్కి వచ్చే అలవాటు ఉంటుంది, వెనక్కి రావద్దు, ముందుకే వెళ్ళండి. అది ఫిఫ్త్ పాయింట్. సిక్స్త్ పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే మనం ఎంత వీలైతే అంత స్పీడ్ గా చదువుతూ ఉండాలన్నమాట. ఎక్కడ స్లో కావద్దు. మనం వీలైనంత స్పీడ్ గా, మన మైండ్ పవర్ చాలా అద్వితీయమైన శక్తి ఉంది మైండ్ కి, దాన్ని తక్కువ ఉపయోగించుద్దాం, వాడుతూ ఉండాలి. వాడుతుంటే అది పదును పెడుతూ ఉంటుంది. మెదడుకు మేధ అంటారు కదా, మెదడుకు పదును పెట్టండి. మైండ్ విల్ గెట్ షార్ప్ అండ్ when you're using it in the fullest speed. Okay, so that sixth point has all the power. Rest of all are supporting points. Seventh point అంటే మనము 2 వేలు పెట్టుకుని మనము ఒక లైన్ కింద 2 వేలు పెట్టుకుంటాం అన్నమాట. ఆ లైన్ కళ్ళతో చదివిన వెంటనే ఆ 2 వేలు కిందికి వస్తాయి, ఇక్కడ కిందికి వస్తాయి. ఓకే, ఎస్, రైట్, వెరీ గుడ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. These 7 points I am telling for today. Okay, we improvise many more things we'll be adding, and for the comprehension also we'll add many things. Okay friends, so these are the 7 points, and everybody note your number, first number. Okay, now we'll do this one. Okay, now first we'll exercise this one, we'll do this one, and we'll close the class for today. Okay.